Hello everyone, it's Sydney here and welcome back to another video. I just want to start by thanking everybody that has been watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. My little YouTube family is growing. I think we've grown by like 150 something subscribers over the past couple weeks to a month, which is really cool. I love seeing that growth and I like to see that my videos are impacting people in a positive way. I'm so excited to have some new friends here on my channel and just really excited to see you guys' comments, and I look forward to a lot of new videos in the future. I got a lot of really good ideas from a few people in the comments, so I'm really excited to do those here soon. But for right now, today's video is going to be a hairstyle lookbook, a natural hairstyle lookbook. One of my most popular videos is my twist out routine. So I'm going to show you how I prolong my twist out routine throughout the week through these different hairstyles. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy it, and without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. Give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul, never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby.